The city woman and the park ranger find themselves stranded in a winter wonderland. Seeking refuge from the storm, they step into Mrs. Harper's quaint little cafe. With no other choice, they settle in for the long night ahead. Mrs. Harper's kindness wraps around them like a blanket, soothing their frayed nerves. Stories flow like the cocoa, filling the air with shared moments and forgotten dreams. A hidden connection emerges, weaving their fates together in an unexpected twist. Bonds form in the cozy confines of the cafe, defying the cold night beyond. As dawn approaches, gratitude fills their hearts for the miracle of togetherness on Christmas Eve. Parting ways with shared memories, they carry a piece of the snowy night within them forever.